You're doing everything right, but you're tired. Not just physically, mentally too, because this phase of recovery feels like it's taking longer than you expected. I'm a shoulder specialist who helps people understand what's actually normal during recovery so it feels less uncertain. Not sure if your recovery is on track or if you might be setting yourself back? Download the free shoulder recovery guide linked below in the description. One thing that doesn't get talked about enough is this: recovery fatigue is real. There's a point where progress slows down, not because something is wrong, but because healing naturally becomes less noticeable. Early on, changes feel obvious. Pain decreases, movement improves. But later, those changes get smaller. And that's where frustration starts to build, because now it feels like you're putting in the same effort, but getting less in return. That doesn't mean recovery has stopped. It means you've moved into a different phase of it, a quieter phase, where progress is still happening, just not in a way that's easy to see day to day. This is also when people start thinking, I just want this to be over. And that feeling is completely understandable, but it can also lead to rushing, doing a little more than your shoulder is ready for, pushing through fatigue instead of respecting it. Not because you're careless, but because you're worn down by the process. What's important to understand is that fatigue doesn't mean you're behind. It often shows up right when you're further along than you think, because you've been consistent, you've been patient. And now you're in the part of recovery that requires a different kind of patience, not the kind that waits for big changes, but the kind that trusts small, steady ones. If you only measure progress by how different today feels from yesterday, this phase will feel like a plateau. But if you zoom out, you'll usually see that things are still moving forward, just more gradually. And recognizing that can take some of the pressure off. Because instead of trying to speed things up, you start to understand where you actually are. The free guide will help you understand your recovery a little better. And if you're looking for a more structured way to actually navigate it step by step, that's what the shoulder recovery method is there for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.